Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Louis Vuitton theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Then you need to click on the Messenger and you need to update Messenger application first. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger application. Once you open, you simply need to select any random conversation and then you need to click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme and here you can see Louis Vuitton. You simply need to select that and click on select that. So now you can see that this theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.